In the list view, you're going to find that it will show all of the clients in order by last name. You can sort by any column just by clicking its name, once for ascending, twice for descending, and a third time will clear your sort. By default, some of the columns that are in here may not be showing. If you'd like to see some of these columns, like received all docs, the date of which you received them, in-house due date, days in progress, file location, and anything else you'd like to modify, you can go to the View Hide Columns button in the upper left-hand portion, and then from here, add all the columns you would like to see or remove from this list. One of the first things you're going to want to look at before you really get into your tax season is actually the list of checkboxes here that are found in the Client Track Personal Clients List View section. These checkboxes allow you to completely customize the way of which you do your tax season. What you're seeing right now are a default set of steps that we have listed in the Client Track program. You can completely customize these by going to the button up top that's labeled Define Process Steps. In here, you can swap the order of any of them, change their names, delete them, and add as many checkboxes as you need so that the program matches the way of which you do your tax season. Once you begin filling out these checkboxes, you're also going to notice that there is a colored status bar, which gets darker and darker as you complete all of the different steps of your tax season. After you fill out a checkbox, also note that if you click beside that checkbox in the same column, it will have recorded who filled this out and on what day. The color of the status bar can also be modified by using a little button in the upper right-hand corner. It looks like a box with a bubble and an eye in it. This will bring up the following window, allowing you to completely change the color to whatever your preference is. This is specific to the computer you're sitting at. So generally, what will happen is a client will come in, you'll use the find function, type in their name, and this will highlight their name in the system so you don't have to scroll down and find it by hand. You'll then switch the client status to begin the in progress option. Once they've gotten you all their documents, you're going to list that you've received all the documents, and this will record the date. You can then set a target deadline, the program will begin counting the days, and you can even say where you've actually got their physical files within your office and assign the appropriate user to this particular client.